In this video, I'll show you how to set up PayPal invoicing. First, sign into your PayPal business account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click Invoices from the main menu and then select Create Invoice. Next, enter your customer's email address. After that, add the products or services you want to bill for. Enter the item name, quantity, and price for each item. PayPal will automatically calculate the total amount due. Now, review the invoice details carefully. You can add a custom note, include payment terms, and set a due date if you want your customer to pay by a specific date. Once everything looks correct, click Preview to see how the invoice will appear to your customer. This is a good way to double-check the information before sending it. After that, click Send. PayPal will email the invoice directly to your customer with a secure payment link. Your customer can then open the invoice and pay online using the available payment methods. Finally, return to the Invoices section anytime to track invoice status, send payment reminders, and view invoices that have already been paid. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up PayPal invoicing. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.